Let us show you the room. How does it look like?
Okay,
and Sean, please open the door for me.
The door looks very nice.
It's very grand.
Yes.
It's like the two sides door.
Yeah, and then the details is very intricate.
Yeah.
Come in.
Go in. Wow.
This is the guest toilet over here. And then
The toilet come with the bidet and then the washing basin.
Yeah.
And also there is a lot of amenities with the swimming kit, vanity kit, comb, shower cap, and toothbrush.
yeah, it comes with a complete set of bathroom amenities, and the guest room toilet is actually quite a decent size.
Oh wow.
So over here you can see there's the artwork that is also very intricately crafted. So it's very nice.
It's spacious.
Yes, and then this is like the living area. So right over here,
There's a dining area.
yes, there's even a private dining area for two.
Yeah.
And it's very nicely done up.
Yeah.
So this is
it's
the
a huge
TV.
flat screen TV.
Yeah, and then that's like the mini bar counter.
Oh yeah. Oh, now that I see
And
that.
then I believe this has got all the coffee,
Coffee and tea.
Yeah. So.
And the
then-
mini bar is just right at the back as well. So you have 4 drinking water on the top. And then same thing, I believe that it will be the Coca-Cola, beer, drinking water.
The menu is here.
Same price, I believe.
Yes, it's the same.
It's about $1.
For the
It's about $1.
carbonated drinks and water. For beer is $3. And then over here you have the living space. Okay. And you have a place for you to hang your coat.
I think that everyone need a hat when we visit the Bagan, and then it's just perfectly for you to place a hat.
Yes, and then over here is the bedroom.
Heritage!
So nice.
Yeah.
So this is once again the Heritage Suite. So they have done it up very nicely. And then the bed frame is also very nicely crafted.
Oh yeah, it's lots of details.
Yes, there's lots of details, lots of artwork involved in creating the perfect ambience for this room. So over here is the TV console. And then there's also like slippers for you to change into for your own comfort.
Oh.
Yeah, shall we take a look at what's behind the curtain?
Yes, please.
Okay, so if
Yeah,
you
this side.
open it up, this is the balcony.
Let's take a look.
For
It's
you
a
to
smoking
smoke.
area balcony.
But also for you to take in the sights of the lily pond that is over there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's check out the bathroom.
Yes.
Right, over
Let me
here.
just close this so that the mosquitoes won't come in.
Here is the makeup counter, and then with a very powerful hair dryer. I tried earlier for long hair. We need a very powerful hair dryer. And there's a he and she basin, perfectly for 2 person. And the bathtub over here. And Sean, come and take a look.
What?
Check out the shampoo and the hair shampoo and lotion.
It's different.
It's a branded stuff.
They use clarine.
Yes. How does it smell?
Nice.
Wow. Of course, it's branded.
Yeah, so shampoo, conditioner, and the bath gel.
Yeah. And then there is a bathtub here, and the standing shower right over here, and then the toilet bowl right over here.
Yeah. It's very grand. Yeah, because the toilet has got granite finishing
Oh yeah.
from floor to the
Top
walls.
to the wall. Wow. This is about the heritage suite.
Yes.
Heritage suite. to someone, and then we have an extra night to stay in this beautiful Bagan Heritage Hotel. At the second night, we have booked a standard room right over here. It was too late for us to do the vlog last night, and then so we decided to try our best to make it as the original as it was, and then to film it before we check out.
Yes, so immediately when you come in from the entrance, right, there is a wardrobe space over here, and then the bathrobes are here, and hanger. There's also an in-room safe as well.
Yeah, and then sorry that we hang our swim trunks there for after morning swim.
So you can actually put all your dirty linen here, and there's a price list for you to reference. Yeah, and then there's bedroom sleepers provided. So if you come in through the door, it's where the bathroom is. So there's a huge wash basin and an area for you to put all your bathroom amenities. So the bathroom amenities they have provided is very comprehensive. So you have like shower cap, dental kit, shaving kit, sewing kit, and even a comb. Yeah.
They provide 2 hand towels, 2 facial towel, and 2 clean body towel.
Yes, and the bathtub is actually huge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's actually quite deep, you know.
Go in.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me just show you it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I
It's
think it will take about 20 minutes to fill the water.
Yeah. So then this is the bathroom amenities. The shower gel and the bath gel is very good. We like it very much because it washes until it's very squeaky clean. And this is the standing shower area. Okay, and then all their upholstery are mostly made of wood. Like for example, the towel holder behind Jim is actually wood. Yeah. So with the porcelain throne comes a bidet for you to wash, and then there's a toilet roll holder. Outside the bathroom is a full-size mirror for you to check your grooming. And then here is the minibar area, 2 complimentary bottled water with the coffee tea, complimentary, a kettle, and then there's a price list for you to see if you like to have a drink, how much would it cost. So it's pretty affordable. And then this is where we kept our luggages. So we are ready to check out. And then this is the sofa area, a very small sofa. And then over here is the bed. Check out the bed frame. It's very nicely crafted with the silhouette of like Bagan. It's like a significance of Bagan, and the bed is really comfortable.
Yeah, I have a very good sleep last night.
Yes, we have very good sleep. And then in front of the bed is where you have the dressing table with a huge mirror, and then the TV beside
And
it.
the hair dryer.
The hair dryer is provided.
It's very powerful. I got my hair dry very fast.
Okay, and then there's also a work desk. And with the work desk comes a universal power outlet and 2 USB power outlets, which is great. Okay, behind the curtain is where the balcony is. So it opens up to a pool view.
Yay, very nice view.
Yes, that's where we had our breakfast.
Just right at the front.
Yeah.
And we also swim there before we after the breakfast.
Yeah.
And then right over here, I quite like this.
The drawing, the mural paintings.
Yeah. But I think some people might not like it. It's like 100 people looking at you. While you
Actually,
sleep.
yesterday when Jim was at the massage, I was a bit freaked out by all this.
I knew it.
Key.
Yeah. So it's all about the room. I think I quite like this. Of course, at the junior suite that we had the very first day is the best, with spacious, more comfortable.
Actually, they call this the deluxe suite.
Grand Deluxe.
Grand Deluxe Suite.
Not suite, Grand Deluxe.
Grand Deluxe. But yesterday when I was signing a check-in, they call it the Grand Deluxe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they label all their rooms as suite.
Because it's all the rooms are quite huge.
Yeah, actually it's quite a big space, very comfortable. We really love it. So if you come to Bagan, maybe you can just give it a consideration to come and stay at Heritage Bagan.
Yeah,
because it's very near the airport.
3 minutes away.
Yes.
Yeah. We are off to check out now, and then before that, we're going to show you two more things that we quite like about this hotel, which is that there is
Purified drinking water station.
right over here, and then in this hotel there's a lot of bird nests, and let me show you some of the bird nests. Ta-da! Oh. Bird nests. Bird nests. I'm not sure there's a bird inside though. But it's so cute that this place has so many, what they call, natural and wildlife over here. Let us go to the lobby and then we will do all the payment for the checkout.
And then we will go to the airport.
Then we will go to Heho, which is the inner lake.
Yes.
And I really like this hotel very much.
Yes.
Yeah. We are going to take a tuk-tuk to the airport. And then it's our very first time to try the tuk-tuk in Myanmar.
Yes.
It looks so cute. Here's the tuk-tuk.
And the tuk-tuk is made in India.
We have arrived to the airport. The outside the airport looks like this.
It's really less than 2 minutes.
Yeah, so it's a very good choice to stay in the
Heritage
Heritage Bagan.